A simple pendulum has a length of 1.0 meters. Assuming small oscillations, calculate its time period. So to start with, to calculate the time period, in this case we've been given the length of the pendulum, which is 1.0, and we know that the acceleration due to gravity, let's use 9.81 meters per second squared. So to calculate the period, we're going to use the formula. Period is equals to 2 pi the square root of L over G. So period T is equals to 2 pi multiplied by the square root of 1 divided by 9.81. So T is equals to 2 pi. So the square root of this fraction is 0.31927, or let's say 28. If we round it off, and our final answer, just multiply what we have by pi. So multiplied by 2 pi. This gives us 2. So our period is simply 2 seconds.